Yeah. All right, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So what I got right here in front of me is a 2007 BMW 335i. Now this car is equipped with the M54 engine, and also it has a Pulsar GTX3584 turbo, and it's got a direct injection, a full exhaust system, upgraded intercooler, and running on E85. Now the owner said this car made almost 590 wheel horsepower on the dyno, and it is equipped with the automatic transmission. And let's see what tires he's running. He's got Toyo R888s. And so these cars weigh around almost 3,600 pounds. And it's going to be running up against a 2013 Ford Shelby GT500. Now, it's been a while since I've seen one of these. These are pretty rare to see nowadays. Now this car is modified with an upgraded intake, throttle body, upper pulley, cat deletes, and an axle back exhaust system, running on 93 octane, and the owner said it made around 680 wheel horsepower. Now these cars only came with manual transmissions, and they weigh around 3,900 pounds. And just looking at these tires, all Indy 500s. So the owner said he can't do anything under 60, so a 60 roll is going to be. So the GT500 will also not be taking a passenger, but I'll be going in the 335. So it should make for an interesting run. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So I'm in the 335, and 60 it is. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a close. Wow, good race. Good race. All right, guys. So we're gonna do that 60 one more time. What gear are we gonna be in? Third. Third gear. All right. Starting to creep. Oh. Woo! If we were to go to like 180, he would have probably pulled you for sure, but 160, that's still a good job. All right, guys, we're finished here. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Later.